Hey everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how I leverage ChatGPT, Loom, and my project management tool to make project management super easy and have a lean team without having to hire multiple project managers or assistants to create tasks for my team. The reason why a lot of teams don't use a project management tool is because it's really hard to just go and create tasks for everyone. It's really tedious and really annoying to actually go in and add all the tasks where you could just send a voice message or just put a message on Slack and you get the team to execute on these tasks. Now, the reason why doing just voice messages and Slack messages to your team is not efficient is because there will be situations where a message will be missed or a task will be missed, and that could be critical for your business. So, in order to solve this and make it as easy as possible for myself to delegate to my team, I've done this. I've created a GPT within ChatGPT, which is really simple. You just click create, and then over here you can configure it. And a GPT is pretty much a configured prompt that you can set it up once, and then you can click and use it every single time. Now, the one that I created is called Task Creation Assistant. And then what I do to make it even easier for me is I shoot a Loom video. So let's say I want my team to go and make an update on the CRM and all this. I'm not going to start typing and putting on ChatGPT like, hey, I want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then ChatGPT turning this into a task. Instead, I shoot a Loom video. It takes me like 1 or 2 minutes to shoot, and then I take the transcript. I take the transcript right here, I copy it, and then I put it on my task creation GPT. And once I've done this, I have configured my GPT in a way that it will follow a certain format. It will give me the task name, the description, the process, the systems, the acceptance criteria, and the best part is that I have configured it in a way that I will ask ChatGPT to tell me if my task is clear, if my instructions are clear, because sometimes you may think that your instructions are clear, but they are not. So this way, I'm just double checking with ChatGPT that everything is clear. For example, is there a specific deadline for completing the mappings? Should we implement some hyperlink formatting? Are there any additional client requests for naming conventions or field properties, right? And then I can answer these questions like, okay, yes, no, etc., etc. And then ChatGPT will give me the best version where everything is clear. From there, what I can do is I can put this task directly on the project management tool we are using. Or I have a process internally within my team where we can submit a ticket request, because sometimes we don't need to work on all these tasks and maybe something is redundant. Some team member does not know that this should not be worked on because we already worked on it, or there is a task already for this. So instead we get through it through this ticket request form. The team copies and pastes the ChatGPT description, and then from there the project manager will decide, okay, click to create a task or decline the task and archive it. So to summarize this, I shoot a Loom video. I get the transcript from the Loom video and I put it on ChatGPT. On ChatGPT, I have created a GPT and I have configured in a way that gives me the task in a specific format like this. And then from there, if ChatGPT identifies any gray zones, it will tell me that, hey, this is not clear. I will clarify with ChatGPT. I'll either submit a ticket request or I'll just put a ticket on the project management tool. So this makes it really fast for me to create tasks for my team and have all the details. Because again, you could think like, oh, well, if you shot a Loom video, can they just work based on like the Loom video? Truth is they could, but again, they could miss some points. So I would rather have the instructions in 2 ways, like in visual and then also in written format. So then this way my team knows what the acceptance criteria look like, what exactly they need to work on, and there is no miscommunication. Because the worst thing that could happen to you as a service provider is have team members work on the wrong tasks or not fulfill the needs of the business or the project, and then you have to rework things, okay? So this is something that I've been using. It's made it really easy for me to communicate with my team and nothing slips through the cracks. Everything is being tracked. Every team member knows exactly what they need to do, and I don't have to repeat myself because I simply just do it on the Loom. I get a transcript, copy and paste, submit, or just upload it on the project management tool. So this is one tip for you. If you're looking to become more efficient with project management, you should start doing this. And if you have any questions, put them on the comment section below, or you can subscribe to my channel, or you can book a call with me and we can see how we can make your business even more efficient than 7 figures. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.